So our idea for the Soundscape assignment was to go with a bit of an abstract, scary story where the listener would have the impression that someone is by themselves in a spooky forest. They then enter into an abandoned house where strange, ghostly things happen to them, and finally, when that person's had enough, they run out the house and run back through the forest.
Our approach to production of this idea was to create simply yet meaningful sounds that would convince the listener of the story. Despite the abstract feel of it, we tried to execute our ideas and what sound we would want to record in creative ways.
So a challenge for us was the noise coming from outside the room, and the light in the room made a buzzing sound. Some of the sound effects didn't work like we thought they would. We overcame these issues by turning off the light. The room also wasn't that dark, so it was okay. For the sound effects that didn't work, we just improvised and made another plan.